Home EV charger. Installing a home electric vehicle, EV charger, is a convenient and efficient way to charge your electric car. Here are some key points to consider when setting up a home EV charger. Selecting the charger. Choose a charger that is compatible with your electric vehicle. Different models have varying charging speeds and connector types. Common connector types include SAE J1772, Tesla's proprietary connector, and CHAdeMO for DC fast charging. Charging speed. Level 1 chargers use a standard household outlet, 120V, and are generally slower. Level 2 chargers operate on a 240V circuit and offer faster charging speeds. The charging speed depends on the vehicle and the charger's capacity. Installation. Installation should be done by a qualified electrician. They will assess your home's electrical capacity and install the appropriate circuit. Consider the location of the charger. It's often installed in a garage for protection against the elements. Permitting and regulations. Check local regulations and obtain any necessary permits before installing a home EV charger. Some areas may have specific requirements or restrictions. Costs. Costs vary based on the charger model, installation complexity, and electrical work needed. Some utility companies offer incentives or rebates for installing home EV chargers. Smart charging. Some chargers come with smart features, allowing you to monitor and control charging remotely through a smartphone app. Smart chargers may also enable scheduling charging during off-peak hours when electricity rates are lower. Integration with renewable energy. Consider integrating the EV charger with a renewable energy source, such as solar panels, to reduce the environmental impact of charging. Future-proofing. Choose a charger with features that can be updated or expanded in the future to accommodate advancements in EV technology. Network connectivity. Some chargers have Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity, allowing for firmware updates and remote monitoring. Warranty and support. Check the warranty and customer support options provided by the charger manufacturer. Popular home EV charger brands include Tesla Wall Connector, Juicebox, ChargePoint, and Clipper Creek, among others. Make sure to review the specific requirements and recommendations from your vehicle manufacturer as well. Thank you for hitting the like button, subscribing to my channel, and sharing my videos with your friends.